Hi folks, Greg, your friendly garden guy, right here at Willow Ridge Garden Center. As you can see by the sign, it says DIY, block and stone. DIY, if you don't know what that means, is do it yourself. We can do it for you, but if you want to do it yourself, we have the products for you. We have the steppers. These are natural flagstone steppers, 12 by 12s, 18 by 18s, and 24 by 24s. We also have the wall block for you. This is a Western wall block. These are $5.99 per piece. You can do walls, you can do fire pits out of these also. Not only walls, you can do fire pits. The same way with the flagstone wall block. These are only $2.99 a piece. Now these are tapered, so you can make straight lines or you can make curves, inside curves or outside curves. Either way, because of the taper of the stone, and I can show you how to do it. Flagstone wall block and Western wall block. Now, you've seen our ponds here at Willow Ridge Garden Center and the stones that we have on the pathway between our ponds. We have those here that you can use in your place. The medium flagstone steppers are $59.99. The large flagstone steppers like we used around our pond are $99. This is the same stone that we've got around our pond over there that you've seen, that you walk on when you come here to look at our ponds. We've also got one-man boulders and two-man boulders, as well as all the stone that you know, the bulk stone and stuff. So DIY block and stone right here at Willow Ridge Garden Center. If you want to do it yourself, we've got the stuff for you, plus we can show you how to do it. This is Greg, your friendly garden guy, saying get your hands dirty. It's good for you.